Okay, so can you tell us a little bit about this massive monster truck?
Yeah, Slingshot basically race-built monster, same as what the Americans use, same specifications. It's got 1800 horsepower, big box heavy engine there, fiberglass body, plastic chassis.
So what are you going to get up to?
Basically the same road, open the tyres and end up, facing the ground upside down. We did that a few weeks ago and the tyres are facing north. It's not a good idea.
We need a countdown! Ready? 3, 2, 1, here we go! It only does 54 yards to a gallon. I don't know if that was supposed to happen. Put your hands together, show them some support! That's it, guys. Slingshot Monster truck. Never fails to entertain. Alright, there's quite a lot of methanol pouring out the back there.
Oh yeah, look, freaking out.
JCB, innit?
You got that, Cass, right?
You got that.
That will go boom very quick.
Still around to tell the tale.
Methanol, yeah?
Yeah.
Burns, you can't see it burning.
Yes. So that could be a light now then?
Alright, so what happened there?
It ended up the wrong way up. I don't know really. It's not vertical. I think it's subvertical, that's not at the film camera. But it just subvertical. Sometimes that happens. That's the whole thing about monster. It's designed if to go over perfect mistake. I'm saying that's it now. I'm laughing my head off even when it's upside down.
Are you alright though?
Yeah, fine. I mean, I'm down. It's just one of them things. But did you enjoy it, the main thing is?
Yeah.
Good.
Cup of tea or a beer?
Beer, I think.
Alright, I think you deserve it. Alright, put your hands together for the Slingshot on our crazy driver. Nice monster truck, pretty much written off lying on its side. Don't know how much it's going to cost to fix. If you guys want to have a go, we've got some free go-karts inside that massive barn over there. Just have to register, it's all free to have a go. Whoa!
A bit close.